So I just went for a walk downtown. We're gonna run into Food Lion and get some groceries and then head home. But I don't really have any plans for today. We're just kind of gonna go and do what feels right today. Done in Food Lion. I gotta turn this air on, it's hot. Probably go home, take care of groceries. I need to cut the dog's nails, but we might be going to Jessica's today, and I'm not gonna cut his nails before we go. I might start a load of laundry maybe, because I'm doing bed sheets tomorrow, and last time that worked out really well to wash the clothes or whatever I could the day before, so there was less loads on Sunday. Need it back, put all this stuff away. Basically, I'm making hoagies, something that we grew up eating all the time when we'd go out on the boat with my grandparents. And I've just been craving it. It's summer. I thought, well, I'm gonna get enough to make myself one. I know I'm not doing it exactly the way my grandma did it or my mom, because I only did turkey, ham, Colby Jack, and white cheddar. And I did confirm I'm gonna go to my friend's and have a pool afternoon a little bit later. I might go ahead and start a little laundry, like I mentioned, just to get that done. I'm trying to debate, do I want to do clothes? Probably just do clothes. Save the towels for tomorrow, because I don't know, I need to look. It's been a little while on the phone, excuse me, but we need to do a few things before I need to head out. Specifically, this coffee maker I need to get set up, and actually I need to run the dishwasher too. I want to set this up for tomorrow morning.
Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
I don't think it was recording, but I just made myself protein coffee. I'm gonna go enjoy this and chill for a little bit, charge my phone, and then we'll make lunch.
Coming back, the highs of your touch like vertigo.
Okay, I just edited the short video that I filmed this morning. I'm probably gonna take the doggy out, and it's 11:30, so maybe go ahead and make my sandwich. I'm debating whether I want to make it and take it with me over there, if I'm just gonna eat here.
It's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space, in space. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
we're getting ready to go. I got most stuff in the car. I just figured I'd cool it a little bit, and then I'm gonna grab the dog and get him in here, and then we'll head out. I'm back. You saw I picked up Taco Bell on my way home. It was like thundering at my friend's house when I left. So I was like, I think I better head home before it hits both areas and then I can't get home very well. So yeah, had a good time though, enjoyed the pool, and picked up Taco Bell to eat now that I'm home. I think after I eat, if the dog's not too freaked out, then I'll probably do the dog's nails, like get those cut. I'm gonna go ahead and eat and we'll go from there. I'm done eating. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, unload the dishwasher, and then probably take the dog out.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus, making up us, wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple. Now they're all memories, honestly.
Since I'm home, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start a little laundry.
Babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Fine, can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my
Well, the time kind of got away from me. I didn't realize it was already 6:30. I'm starting to lose my energy anyway today. So I think this is where I'm going to wrap it up. The only thing I have left that I'm going to do tonight is fold the laundry when it's dry. But other than that, I think I'm just going to chill on the couch with the dog. He's eating his dinner right now. Maybe. He's coming in. Here he comes. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this random Saturday. And as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.